Hey guys, it's Ethan Gabriel here with Special Ops Airsoft Team in Colorado, and I'm just going to be running through one of my newest additions to my arsenal. So yeah, let's get started. Right here what we have is the AGM MK96 bolt action sniper rifle. The first thing you'll notice about this when you take it straight out of the box is has ABS all for the parts that you'll be making contact the most with on the gun. That's just so that you're not freezing your hands off in cold weather. I will start from the tip and end with the stock here. So as you can see, just regular flash and whatever you want to call it, orange tip. It's on the edge. I would have most likely liked one on the end more, but you know, it's still on there. We have a metal outer barrel, metal inner barrel as well. This gun actually does have quite a good weight to it too, so if you do get this gun, then don't mind carrying around like 8 or 9 pounds all day. Sling mounts up front here are going to be metal. We got our mag release here. Our mag right here that it comes with is like sort of a weird clear plastic kind of thing. It holds 25 rounds, I believe. Yeah. Next about this gun, we have our hop up on the outside of the barrel. That just makes it a lot easier. You don't have to be reaching in the magazine well to just the hop up. And next we have, I'll go with the scope next. Comes with these rail covers. I got this gun off of Airsoft GI for $95. It came with the scope. That was what got the deal for me. It's an NC Star, just regular 3x9 sporting scope. It's a pretty good scope for the price, I gotta say. So next we just have our safety right here, right on the side of the bolt. We got a regular bolt, not that hard of a bolt pull. It has a very small trigger pull though, so just be ready for that if you do get the gun. Next, back here, we have the common L96 grip. Cheek plate, these are just fully adjustable right here, and the rear sling mounts with our both metal. And yeah, so far my only complaint about the gun is it's not very consistent with .28s. Haven't really tried it with .3s yet, so that might be my problem, but right now it's not the best sniper rifle if you are like a hardcore sniper. But I'm more of a M4 guy, so I just got this as something to mess around with. Not really used in a full-on, full-fledged battle, but yeah, let's get to the shooting test, and yep, should be it. Alright guys, right here we'll be shooting from about 30 yards away. Gonna try and hit that little shooting target you see down there on your screen. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, let's go see what we did. Alright guys, this is the damage toll here. I have shot this quite a bit with my M4 already. You'll see all these little holes, but everywhere where you see the red, like blood kind of thing, that's where I just hit. Most of my shots hit in the head area. Got a couple in the neck there, and a couple misses, but not too bad overall. Then to have the fake blood, I have my can back here. So basically, if this guy was a real guy, his brains would be somewhere back there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode, and yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Bye.